What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and for this unboxing video we have one of our rims, and today's rim is vzn124241 and it's one of our ZL1 style satin black wheels, and the sizing is up here, which is at the top 20 by 11, and then your offset is 30 degrees. Your hole is, I know it just says 5, but it's 5 by 120. Your PCD is 120, and your camber is 66.9, and of course the color is satin black. And this is one of our 5-spoke rims. Let me get this open and I can show you guys. And of course, we do several things to protect your rim during shipping. Of course, we have a cardboard rim protector. Then we have a plastic bag to protect it from any dust and debris. And of course we have a plastic rim guard and just a little bit of foam for that extra added security during shipping. And as you guys can see here, we have 5 spokes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course it splits off into 4 ways. And I just love the design here, and especially how it sinks in whenever it comes to the middle. Now that's pretty much it for these rims. If you would like to see more videos like this one, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. Also like and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.